Hi, I'm your friends. This is VideoPad and I will show today how to group few videos together. So let us say we have this video and that video. It's like a duck. Let it be staying on a street. I choose the video with the duck and I am doing changing. I changed the scale, the size of a duck, and moved it a little bit to stay like on a street. Okay, now let's say I want to make them be like that all this time. It means if I'll move one, I want another one to be moved too, at the same position, and everything to be together. So in order to that, they have to be grouped. So let's move back, Control Z the bottom video, and I will select both of them. It means I will hold Shift and click on one and second video. Both are chosen now. Now I'm going to menu, sequence, and find in this list group selected clips. Okay, they are together. Then if you want to ungroup them, you do the same. Just click on them, they're together, go to menu and ungroup. Select clip C. That's it. Thank you.